Welcome to Paris, the city of light, style, romance, and history. In this ultimate 3-day city guide, we'll show you how to make the most of your time in one of the world's most iconic cities. Day 1, Classic Paris. Start your Parisian adventure at the Eiffel Tower. Get there early to beat the crowds, and either admire it from the ground or head up for a breathtaking view of the city skyline. From there, stroll along the Seine River towards the Trocadero Gardens, then cross over to the Champs-Élysées. This famous avenue leads you straight to the Arc de Triomphe, one of Paris's most powerful national monuments. For lunch, head to a nearby cafe for a classic croque monsieur or a fresh baguette sandwich. Don't forget a café crème to keep you going. In the afternoon, dive into art and culture at the Louvre Museum. See the Mona Lisa, Venus de Milo, and so much more. If you're short on time, grab a highlights map to make the most of your visit. As the sun sets, make your way to Montmartre. Explore the winding streets, browse local boutiques, and enjoy panoramic views from the Sacré-Cœur Basilica. For dinner, choose a traditional bistro in the area, where you can savor French onion soup, coq au vin, or a cheese platter with wine. Day 2. Hidden gems and local life. Begin Day 2 in the Marais district, a trendy neighborhood known for its mix of old-world charm and modern flair. Wander through Place de Vosges, one of Paris's oldest squares, then explore the quirky shops and bakeries tucked into cobbled streets. Grab a falafel from the famous Rue des Rosiers or a pastry from a local patisserie. Afterwards, make your way to the Centre Pompidou for a dose of modern art and rooftop views. In the afternoon, take a break from the bustle at Canal Saint-Martin. This relaxed area is perfect for a picnic, people watching, or just soaking up the local vibe. Next, head to the Latin Quarter. It's full of history, student energy, and charming streets. Visit the Pantheon, explore bookshops like Shakespeare and Company, and maybe sneak in a crepe or two from a street vendor. End your day in Saint-Germain-des-Prés. This elegant area is perfect for an evening drink, jazz bar, or stylish dinner spot. Try duck confit, escargot, or a rich crème brûlée. Day 3. Palaces, parks, and pure Parisian style. Kick off your final day with a short RER train ride to the Palace of Versailles. Wander through the Hall of Mirrors, the King's apartments, and the vast gardens that stretch as far as the eye can see. Allocate a few hours, it's worth every second. Return to Paris and spend your afternoon in the Jardin du Luxembourg. This peaceful park offers a great spot to relax, read, or just enjoy a picnic with a view. Next, visit Notre Dame Cathedral. Though the interior is under restoration, the exterior still impresses. And nearby, you'll find the lovely Ile de la Cité and Ile Saint-Louis. These small islands in the Seine offer a quiet charm and are home to some of the best ice cream in Paris at Bertillon. Wrap up your trip with a sunset cruise on the Seine. It's a magical way to see the city's bridges and monuments lit up as night falls. And for your final dinner, make it special. Whether it's rooftop dining, a riverside restaurant, or a cozy spot with a view of the Eiffel Tower, Paris delivers unforgettable memories at every turn. 3 days might not be enough to see all of Paris, but it's the perfect taste to fall in love with this timeless city. Which Paris spot would you head to first? Or do you have a favorite hidden gem we didn't mention? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss an episode from the Ultimate Travel Guides.